There's something magical about starting your day with a warm, fluffy soufflé omelette. It's like eating a piece of morning sunshine. Take 3 eggs and gently separate the whites from the yolks. Set the whites aside and whisk the yolks with just a pinch of salt until smooth and golden. Add the sugar to the egg whites first, then start whisking. Keep going until they turn into stiff, glossy peaks. Slowly pour the yolks into the whipped whites, gently folding until everything is evenly combined. In a nonstick pan over low heat, brush the surface with a little unsalted butter. Pour in the airy mixture and smooth out the top. Cover with a lid and let it cook gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Lift the lid, fold it in half, and let the edges cook for a little longer. Cover again and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Gently lift the omelet out of the pan and onto a plate. Slice in, and the knife glides through soft, cloud-like layers, releasing gentle steam. This kind of breakfast that makes you slow down and savor the morning. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.